Hey guys, me Charlie. Today is July 29th, 2012, and I have little parrot babies. Look at this little guy. He's different. I'm hoping this is a yellow, even though it looks kind of green. And this one's a pied, blue pied. Looks like mommy. I don't know. This one, oh, this one looks blue. Oh, there's two of these. Oh wait, open your wings. Wow. Looks like I have two. Look at the tail. He's so pretty. This one's blue. These look kind of greenish. And these are a little blue. Oh, cute! Little parrot babies. Yeah. That is so cute. So I'm letting the parents still work with the babies, and I just put some fresh pine shavings, which I'm going to put these guys in. I just wanted to see what I had. Okay. You are pretty. Wow, looks like an olive. You're pretty. Look at that blue in there. Wow. That might. Oh, that's a boy, I think. And God, they're so full. And this one might be a boy also. I didn't know what you are. You look your mommy. Yay, another bluish turquoise looking. Not even blue, but turquoise. And that's the babies. Just want to do a little update on the parrotlets. Go give it back to mommy and daddy. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.